The Google Sheet engagement hack. Well, you've probably heard that engagement is everything. And when it comes to webinars, it's true. An engaged audience listens longer, trusts faster, and buys more. But here is the real challenge. Most people run webinars like they are giving a boring PowerPoint presentation. They talk at the audience instead of with them. No connection, no interaction, no conversions. But here is the opportunity. With a simple Google Sheet, you can instantly boost engagement, build trust in real time, and create an interactive experience that makes people stick around and take action. This little hack turns your passive viewers into active participants, and it makes your webinar feel 100% live and authentic, even if you are doing it every night. And remember, to help you apply this faster, you get access to all my high converting webinar scripts, templates, and many more tools that you would need in the resources section below. So do not forget to check the resources section. Let's now walk through the simple but powerful tactic and how to implement it in your webinar, your next webinar. Starting with, first one is start with a blank Google Sheet. At the top, write today's date in bold and then create two columns, your name and business. In column B, where you are joining from. Step 2. Call it out in the first 2 minutes of your webinar, right after your welcome, and say something like, let's kick things off with a quick roll call. Tell me two things in the chat right now, your name and what kind of business you run and where you are joining from. I'm going to paste your name into our live board right now. Then open the Google Sheet live on screen and begin pasting their responses in. Step 3. So why this works like magic? It proves the webinar is live. Most people are skeptical. They assume everything is automated, but when they see their name appear live on the screen, it instantly builds trust. It keeps them watching. They stick around to see if you call them out or mention their business. It encourages others to participate. Once the first few people drop their names, others jump in too. You are creating momentum. It creates accountability. They feel seen and they are less likely to drop off or ghost your offer. Step 4. Pro tips for maximum impact. Use it as a way to bridge conversations. Hey John from New Jersey, I know a ton of agency owners like you who use this strategy. Refer back to it mid-webinar. I saw someone mention they are a fitness coach. This part is for you. Offer bonuses for people who participate early. Example, a downloadable worksheet. All you need is a Google Sheet plus 3 minutes of effort and you have got instant engagement. That's amazing and interesting. I didn't, or you would have not thought that getting people engaged could have been so easy. So, what's the takeaway here? Don't just deliver information, create an experience. This Google Sheet hack isn't just about collecting names, it's about showing your audience they matter. And when people feel seen, they stay longer and buy faster. So here is your next step. Download the live webinar engagement sheet template from the resources along with various other tools that you will find in the resources section. The difference between a boring webinar and a converting one. One line in a Google Sheet. So let's go make it personal and powerful.